Hi everyone and welcome to my yoga channel. My name's Julia and today I want to guide you through a gentle de-stressing yoga for those times when you just want to stretch out and let go of anxiety and stress in your life. We're going to start for a change lying down on our tummies. So come and ease yourself down onto your mat, onto your carpet. Make yourself very comfortable here. Have your hands just lightly crossed in front of your face and let your head rest one side down and just relax here. Take a few deep breaths. And then turn your head the other way and relax. And then stretch your arms out in front of you. Press forward with your fingertips and back with your toes and stretch out any way that feels really good. Stretch your fingers wide. A couple more deep breaths. And then ease yourself very slowly up onto your elbows. So this is the Sphinx pose. It's a lovely gentle stretch for the lower back. So breathe here a few moments. And then drop the chest down, squeezing the shoulder blades together. And then lift the chest, push up, feel the lovely stretch across the middle of the back. Again, lowering down, squeeze the shoulders, lift back up. And one more time, lower it down. And lift yourself back up. And then come up on the hands, pressing into a gentle variation of the Cobra pose here. And breathe. And then ease yourself very gently back into Child's Pose. You want your hips to come back towards your heels. Your hands stretch way forwards and let your head rest down. Keep reaching forward with your hands, stretching out the fingers nice and wide. And then make fists with the hands and stretch them out again. And again, make tight fists and stretch the hands out. And then ease yourself up onto hands and knees. Bring your hands underneath the shoulders and then press around a puppy dog pose, pressing the shoulder towards the hip behind you and very gently around to the other side. Again, the shoulder presses towards the hip. Keep breathing. Come around again to the right, press into it gently and the other way. Bring yourself back to neutral. Tuck your toes under now and press the hips up towards the ceiling for downward facing dog. And gently pedal your legs, pressing down one heel and the other very gently into the mat. And press both heels down. Pushing the mat away, let your head completely relax down and breathe. And come down onto your knees again. Ease yourself up to kneeling. Hands onto your waist. Push the hips forward, gently lift up, opening the chest towards the ceiling. Drop into whatever feels comfortable for you, just a little bit of a back bend. Nice deep breathing. And bring yourself back up. Come onto hands and knees and round the spine up into a cat cow. And come back down onto your knees and then reach one hand behind you and the other arm up in the air. Sweep it forward and look up. And then if you want to, you can lift up the hips. You don't have to lift the hips. You can stay in this pose. If it feels comfortable though, push the hips forwards. And and lower very gently. Come up and over to the other side. So left hand comes up, reaching over, hold it here, and only if you feel comfortable you can try lifting the hips up off the mat. So here or lifted, whichever feels right for you. And ease yourself back into kneeling, hands on your lap. Take a few more deep breaths here. Come again onto hands and knees and round into a cat curl. And then tuck the toes under, press up again into downward facing dog. Again, you can pedal the feet a few times if you like, before pressing both feet back, pushing the mat away. And then bend your knees, walk your feet up to your hands, hold onto your elbows and let yourself hang down in a lovely forward fold. Your knees can be softly bent or straight, whatever feels right for you. You can even pedal the legs a little bit here if that feels good. And then release your hands, bend your knees deeply and start to roll up all the way to standing. As you come up, tuck the tailbone right under, belly is in nice and firmly, roll the shoulders up, back and down. Bring the hands into Namaste. Just close the eyes for a few moments, feeling that internal sense of the balance. And then open your eyes, bring your arms out and up overhead. Grab hold of your right wrist with your left hand and pull as you inhale. As you exhale, lean over to the left, letting your head rest on your arm. Keep pulling on that top arm, sink over just to where it feels really nice. And bring yourself back up, swap wrists. So inhale, pull up on that left arm, exhale, lean over to the side. Keep breathing nice and smoothly, making the breath always the priority. If your breath gets choppy or short, just back off from the pose a little bit, don't go down so far. And ease yourself back up. Inhale, reach with both arms, and exhale, come back down. We're going to go into a tree pose balance, so bring your weight onto one foot and bring the other foot up onto the foot, maybe onto the leg. If you want to, you can grab hold of the foot, bring it up to the top of the thigh, press it in and bring your hands into Namaste. You can even hold lightly onto something with one hand if this helps with the balance. Breathe, find that internal calm. Inhale and exhale, release carefully with control. Give yourself a little shake out. And we'll do the other side. So bringing your weight onto your left foot, bring the right foot onto the other foot or the leg, or again if you want to, grab the foot, bring it up onto the thigh, knee opening to the side, hands at the heart center. Focus gently on something that's not moving and breathe. Hold lightly onto a piece of furniture if you want to, if this helps with the balance. One more breath here. And as you exhale, release with control. Well done. Give yourself a little bit of a shake out. Now reach the arms up overhead, palms touch. And as you exhale, open the arms out to the side, lift the chest, fold an angel, holding it here. Inhale again, reach up long. And exhale, come back down into that beautiful pose, holding it here. One more time, reaching it up. This time come to a flat back. And then bend your knees, hands onto your knees. Inhale, look up. So you're doing a wolf pose, lifting the hips, lifting the shoulders. And exhale into a cat's curl, pressing the middle back to the ceiling. Inhale again, looking up. And exhale, rounding the spine. And then let yourself roll slowly all the way back up to standing, rolling the shoulders up, back and down. Bring the hands back into Namaste. And again, close your eyes for a moment. Taking a few deep breaths. Just letting go. And slowly open your eyes. Namaste.